Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the failed to connect to matchmaking error in Black Ops 6, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys can do is, if you have Black Ops 6 downloaded through Steam, all you have to do is open up Steam, go over to library. From library, right click on Call of Duty. I don't have it downloaded, so I'm just going to use a random game that I do have downloaded as an example. But anyways, right click on it, hit properties, and then go to installed files. From installed files, what you want to do is you want to click on verify this game's files are installed correctly, and just hit verify integrity of game files. And what this basically does is that if there are any corrupt files that are like leading you to have this issue, it will basically remove them, and then you guys should be good to go. Once that is done, you can go ahead and start up Call of Duty, and then you can go ahead and check to see if that fixes the issue. The second method you guys can do is simply just restart your PC. So go ahead and just restart your PC and restart the game. And the third method you guys can do is restart your Wi-Fi connection. And you can do this by restarting your Wi-Fi router, which you can do by unplugging the power cord for about 30 seconds to a minute, plug it back in, and then check to see if that fixes the issue. And another thing you guys can do is use an Ethernet cable instead of a wireless connection, because that does tend to help as well, and that will also give you faster Wi-Fi speeds, which is always a plus. And once you're done with all of these things, you guys should be good to go. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.